Brittle. Something that is brittle is hard but breaks or cracks easily when you bend or hit it. The dry leaves became brittle and crumbled in my hands. His brittle tone showed he was upset despite trying to stay calm. Catastrophe. A sudden event that causes great damage, suffering, disaster, or failure. The earthquake turned the peaceful town into a complete catastrophe. Ignoring the warning signs led to a financial catastrophe for the company. Collaborate. To work together with someone to achieve a common goal or complete a task. The students collaborated on a group project. Scientists from different countries collaborate to find solutions to global problems. Confine. To keep someone or something within limits or in a restricted space. To not allow him to move freely. The teacher asked the students to confine their answers to one paragraph. The injured animal was confined to a small area for treatment. Equivalent. Something that is equal in value, meaning, amount, or importance to something else. $1 is roughly equivalent to a certain amount in another currency. His experience is equivalent to a college degree in that field. Flee. To run away quickly from a place because of danger, fear, or trouble. The villagers had to flee when the floodwaters rose quickly. The thief tried to flee after stealing the wallet. Inquisitive. Very curious, wanting to know and eager to learn or ask questions about things. The inquisitive child kept asking questions about the stars. She has an inquisitive mind that loves discovering new ideas. Ogle. To look at someone in a way that shows strong interest, especially in a sexual or inappropriate way. It's rude to ogle people in public places. Some tourists stop to ogle at the beautiful scenery. Pardon. A polite way to ask someone to repeat what they said because you didn't hear them. Pardon me, I didn't hear your name. Pardon me, could you say that again? Pardon. To forgive someone for a minor mistake or bad behavior. Please pardon my mistake. I didn't mean to offend you. The president decided to pardon the prisoner after many years. Proclaim. To announce something publicly and clearly, especially something important or official. The king will proclaim a new law tomorrow. She proudly proclaimed her success to her family. Rectify. To correct something that is wrong or to fix a problem. If you make a mistake, don't worry, just try to rectify it quickly. In this video, I'll show you how to rectify common speaking errors. Terminate. To end something officially or completely, a job, contract, service, or process. The company decided to terminate his contract due to poor performance. Please terminate the program before shutting down the computer. Thrifty. Someone who is thrifty is careful with money and tries to save money instead of wasting it. She is very thrifty and always saves part of her income. A thrifty shopper looks for discounts and good deals. Tranquil. Very calm, peaceful, and quiet. The lake looked tranquil under the morning sunlight. She enjoyed a tranquil walk in the quiet park. Vague. Not clear, not specific, or difficult to understand because there are not enough details. His answer was so vague that no one understood it. She gave a vague description of the place. Vigorous. Very strong, energetic, and full of force or activity. She gave a vigorous speech that inspired everyone in the audience. Regular exercise keeps your body healthy and vigorous.